Okay, today we're going to be on this little bike path. We'll tell you all about it. We'll tell you about this too. We'll tell you what's over there, and we'll tell you what's down there, and we're going to kind of show you another area, and there's the casino strip too.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we got our bike here. So this is one thing right here. This is a little workout area so people can exercise. And so this exercise is basically connected to this tunnel. So when you come out, just for reference, this is Koloan way over here. This is like a trail that goes through the coastline of Taipa. So okay, public bathrooms are right here. And then we're gonna basically, you're gonna see a lot of local Macau basically. This over here, this is the bathroom, so the public bathrooms are right there. And then this one is the, then you got bird watching, so a lot of people watch birds right there. And then here you have a rental bike place, so you can rent bikes in this space. So you can see that those big green things are, those are shipping containers. So they converted those shipping containers into bike rentals right there. So a lot of people just come here and rent a bike, and they'll park over there somewhere. And but yeah, this is actually keeps transforming. When the university was first built, I think, well, I guess it's been a few years now, but this wasn't here originally that I'm aware of. There was something here, but it was, well, you can see it was more of a road. And then they converted it into a bike path. So now it's a totally different environment. Then over there is, you can see through those trees, that's the University of Macau. It's on the Hengqin side. And then over here, I think these are mangroves, all of these vegetation in there. They're kind of swampy and lots of birds, so a lot of bird watchers will come in and they'll watch birds from back there, more so back there. This one, if we keep going, we'll go all the way to Galaxy, which is what our plan is to do. So that's Cotai Strip over there. Right on the other side of this road, I mean, this is the bike path, and then the road where the traffic is at, there's like a two-way one. So on the other side is an ecological area, and then there's also a golfing course. So I don't know if you can see those golf course stuff over on that side, but basically people can enjoy these casinos and then go golfing. So a lot of them will do that. Well, not a lot, a minority, a few. There's Studio City way in the background. You can see the figure 8. This one right here is a playground area, so kids will come and play. And this guy right here, he's a bird watcher, so that's they got some pretty nice things to watch birds with. And this area always attracts quite a few. That could actually be a whole video in itself. I don't have a good enough camera to capture it, but actually, let me see if I can just turn around a little bit. Yeah, that guy had a huge camera, didn't he? I don't really want to. This camera is not really a zoom kind of camera, but you can see those little birds in there all over the place. So there's like tons of bird life all through that area. So a lot of people will, not a lot, but again, people that are interested in bird watching will go there and do bird watching. But most of the people here are getting their kids out of the house, or running and jogging, or exercising. So you'll see, and then this bridge right here, this big bridge, this goes to Zhuhai, China. It goes to Hengqin Island. So so later Hengqin is going to be converted into, I think it's going to be part of Macau, unless things change. But it sounds like a lot of things are going in that direction. And if that's the case, then and actually, if you can see those buildings over there, there's I could do a whole other video about that, but those videos that are being constructed right there is like kind of a financial center that's being built right there. And then all these buildings, or no, maybe those might be the financial center, one of these two, but both of those are on Zhuhai anyways. I think that other one is the financial center. So let's go up a little bit more. So yeah, I think someday what we're gonna see is dang, sorry, I had to get something in my leg. It's like something hit it, something hit it. Anyways, so this is another exercise area. So a lot of people exercise in this area, and then there's another exercise down there. And I think I'm gonna stop for a minute. I might just stop this video and then I'm gonna do a whole other one about Hengqin. So so let me find a good spot to stop the bike, and then we're going to talk about Hengqin Island. But basically this will go all the way down, and this is called Estrada do Dique Oeste. Oeste, I think, is either east or west. I get them kind of mixed up. East and west are kind of similar in Portuguese. Anyways, let's just end it right there. But you can get a feel for this area now, and I think I'm going to do a whole separate video all about those Hengqin area. So let's just wait until we're going to try to go by. So what we're going to do is we're going to stop, and then we're going to go over to that area. So let me just get around. And there we go. Okay, so we're gonna park the bike here. And that's gonna be our next video right there.
Chiquinha.